Ever wonder why some printed images look crisp, while others come out blurry or pixelated? The secret lies in understanding image resolution. In this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about resolution for high-quality printing, including the essential differences between raster and vector graphics. Let's get into it. Resolution is very important for a high-quality print job. Unlike digital displays, where 72 ppi pixels per inch is a quality resolution, printing requires a minimum of 240 ppi, and 300 ppi is optimal. Although digital artwork is rendered or ripped, raster image processed, into dpi, dots per inch, for printing, the digital file's pixels are square. If you render an art file with a low resolution, the corners of those pixels appear as blur because the rip sees the point where 4 of those corners meet and has to blend them into one dot. The lower the resolution, the more blurry the image when printed. If the resolution is low enough, the square shape of the pixels will be visible in the printed product. The range between 72 to 150 ppi is low resolution, also known as low res. High resolution is referred to as high res. This falls between 240 and 300 ppi. Resolutions below 72 ppi are considered low res even for digital media like web or LCD LED displays. Such low resolutions are typically used for very large and very distant print and digital media, like roadside billboards, where the larger the medium and/or farther away the viewer, the lower the necessary resolution. If you have a low-res artwork file, let's say it's 150 ppi, you can increase the resolution using software like Photoshop, but although it does increase the resolution, it does not improve the quality. This will result in a similar fashion to the rip, but it will eliminate the shape of the pixels from showing through and create a blur transition instead. There are ways of sharpening the image, but it's not as effective as starting with a high-resolution file.
So far, this is all referred to raster images. Raster images are images made up of, as discussed, pixels. Another type of image is a vector image. Vector images are made up of nodes with connecting lines. Think of the child's game of connect the dots. Nodes are the dots, and lines connect them. The difference is that the lines can be curved, and the closed-in areas can be filled in with color and gradient. This mathematical definition gives vector graphics a significant advantage. They are infinitely scalable. Whether you print a logo on a business card or a billboard, a vector version will always retain crisp, sharp edges without any pixelation. Although these can be complex, vector files are usually used for more simple designs like logos and text. Many file formats like EPS, AI, and PDF can handle both raster and vector graphics. This is why you can often see PDFs with both text and photos. Beyond their scalability, vector files are known for being much smaller in file size. Nodes make up the bulk of the bytes in a vector file, so if you start to get into the thousands of nodes, the computer will begin to slow when working with the file. Enough nodes will freeze the computer. This is why they are used for simpler graphics, or in combination with raster graphics.
Please check our video library for more helpful tips on creating the perfect coasters for any purpose, whether it's for events, marketing, decor, or something else. Coaster Factory is your premier coaster manufacturer.